Huh? Oh. Morning! Time to start this beautiful day! Ditto! Oh. How about this? Oh yeah? I can do that. Interesting. But can you get hair this fabulous? I think not. It's one of a kind. And it holds flowers quite nicely. See? Oh, I can do the flower thing too. This one. Now, how do I… this is awkward. Yikes. Let's see here. Oh, I need something sticky. That'll do! Let's turn these clips into something fabulous. Just need a couple more little tools. See this clip? Use the glue pen to create a fun design. I'm choosing my favorite color. Blue. Now see this nice long line here? Keep it going. Even longer. Almost there. See how it's making a big spiral? It'll harden to keep the shape too. It's like I made my own pretty spring. So bouncy. Woo! Now put the clips in your hair. Aren't all these colors super fun? Nice! I almost forgot the most important part. Gorgeous curls just like yours. Ooh, look how she moves her hips. Staying in was the best decision ever. What you watching? Hey, can I have one? Not now. Oh, sorry. Here you go. Yellow's my favorite. So chewy. Mia? What? One more? Okay, fine, but it's the last one. Cool! Hey, Mia? What now? I still want more. You really are hogging those gummies. But maybe I can fix this myself. Nice. I'm going in. Give me those gummies! Let go! On the contrary, I'm a genius. I can't believe you stuck your hand in these! Wait. How are they all sticking to you? I know! Be right back! Tasty. I just need a couple supplies. Wanna see how it's done? Stick the gummy bear into this silicone sleeve. Really stick it in there. Then add a bunch more all around the bracelet. I'm choosing all the colors of the rainbow. Just pour the resin over the bears. Go nice and slow and go over every one. And once that's all done, we wait. All night. A new day! Which means my bracelet is ready. Just take it out of the silicone mold. And it's perfectly hardened. See? And it fits my wrist perfectly. Come to mama! You like? Whoa! How did you get this? Are those gummy bears in there? Enough questions. Oh, man. You know what? You can have these. Really? Yep. I'm sure. This is the best day of my life! Agreed. Hey, check out all of these shells! I want the big one! You're coming home with me! And this one's even more awesome! Oh. Wow. You're so beautiful. I guess we have the same taste in shells. Oh, wow. This shell must hold superpowers. It brought me to my soulmate after all. Yay! I'll keep you forever and ever. Now what do we have here? Quite a beauty. Hey, Olivia. What are you… Ugh, those shells are full of dirt. Don't mind me. Mia! No! My precious shell! It was an accident. You ought to be ashamed of yourself! My love life is over! It's okay. No, it isn't! What's over there? I know! I can totally use this to fix the shell. Just watch and learn. Put all your shell pieces right over here. It won't look like this for long. Take 2 plastic cups that are clear and pour a little bit of resin inside. And once you're done with one, move on to the other. Perfect! And now we get to the really fun part. Color time! But all we need are a couple small drops. A little goes a long way in this case. Just have to stir it in really well. Now let's move on to these balloons. And no, they're not inflated yet. But see how stretchy they are? We're gonna use that to our advantage. Ready to see the shells turn into something new? Just put them into the balloon, one by one. It may take a minute, but it'll be worth it. Gather a bunch of toothpicks together. Then use one to pierce the edge of the balloon. You may have to use a little bit of force. Once you've put two through, you can rest them over these beakers. Now in goes the colored resin. Just pour it super slowly so you can get it in the hole. And once it's all the way to the top, we wait. Want to see what we end up with? You're gonna love it! Shell earrings! Aren't they spectacular? Oh, Olivia? Huh? What are those? Your new shell earrings, of course. They feel so awesome! They're way more special this way, don't you think? You're the best, Mia! Finding the best filter is always tricky. Smile! Wow, this place is cool! Hey, ladies! Did you bring your hat? Actually I did. Isn't it cute? Oh, definitely gram-worthy. Tag me, okay? I didn't know this picnic was hat exclusive. What am I supposed to do? I think my luck is finally turning around. Huh? What the… Is she okay? Have you lost your mind? Why are you all looking at me like that? Don't cry, Olivia. Here, just take it. Thanks. Anyway, there's gotta be a better option here. Just watch. Place the watermelon rind face down. Then plug in that glue pen of yours. Start at the very top of the melon. Make a solid dot and a line down the side. Once it looks like this, you can begin filling in all the wide gaps. Do one section at a time. And try not to leave any spaces at all. Now run another line down here. And another one here. And connect them. Then color them in just like you've done already. Looks like you've gone all the way around. These next lines are purely decorative. Now put little black spots on the red. Is this design looking at all familiar yet? I'll give you a hint. It was inspired by watermelon. They're seeds, see? Now let's try this thing on. You said you wanted a hat, right? Well, I made you a one-of-a-kind model. Do you like? Wow, I gotta snap this. She's so happy. Here, we'll all post a picture of you. I mean, could these be any cuter? Adorable. Wow, this party's really bumpin'. Hey! Check out all these awesome lights! Hey, not so fast. Be cool. Like me. Oh my gosh, is that Kevin? Hi! What kind of snacks am I working with here? Olivia? Where did she go? Olivia! Olivia! Huh? Ugh, fine. Where are you? I was at the snack table! Oh, thank goodness. I can't risk losing you again. I need you shining bright like all those stars. Take a big popsicle stick like this. And get the prettiest glitter you can find. The more neon, the better. Then it's time to pour on the resin. You'll need a decent amount. Just pour it into a small plastic cup. Not too much. Now sprinkle the glitter right on top. Stir it well with a wooden stick. You see how nice and gooey it is? That means it's time for it to sit. But in the meantime, find a little plastic container like this. And carefully pour the mixture right on in. Just a little tip. The slower you go, the less messy it'll be. Now we wait. It's ready to come out of the mold. Like hard plastic, see? Just put it on a chain and you're good to go. It's pretty cute if I do say so myself. Time to give it to Olivia. Here! Whoa! That thing's glowing like a star! Now I'll always be able to find you. See ya! This is my favorite song! Oh hey! Woohoo! Ow! Wait. I think I can still see her. Wait, no! She's gone! Oh no! Wait! I think I see something! It's glowing! I see the glow! Olivia! Wait, what's with the big mob? I don't care. I'm just glad I found you. I can't believe I lost you again. Here. You need these. Oh, thanks. Oh, that's much better. If you're Olivia, Then who are you? Oh, I'm so sorry about that! Crazy lady! Okay, that's it. You're never leaving my side. A delivery for Miss Julie. I hope you love it, darling. I wonder what this could be. Oh, one of those fancy hairbrushes! I can't believe he remembered I wanted this. Finally, a man who listens to me. And check out this sweater. No tangles here. You like that, Planty? That's the spot. What's up, Julie? Huh? Was it windy outside? 'Cause your hair's looking a little tangled. Nothing to see here. Just a few more strokes here. Julie? What am I? A poodle? Anyway, nothing like a good brush. Oh, a bad tangle? Get out! My fancy brush! Leo's gonna totally break up with me! Aw, man. But I know just how to help you. Oh yeah. I'll try anything. Missing some bristles? Just make some yourself with a handy 3D pen. But be warned, this may take a while. That's better. Bristle City, baby! Now isn't it just perfect? I can't believe it! Thank you! See ya! Hey! That's enough! What's up, babe? Your hair. Yeah? Oh! Don't worry, I got you. The brush? Yep. Oh! I think it's stuck. Let's just go, okay? Just don't look in any mirrors. Nothing like a little spring cleaning. When was the last time that was cleaned? Ah! Ugh, focus. Are you making crumbs? Watch it. Hey! I can't see what's happening! Julie! Look at the screen! Oh no! What are they gonna do? I can't take the suspense! Easy with that thing, dude! Gah! Player 456 is totally losing! The suspense makes me so hungry! Ugh! You've been watching this for a while. When was the last time you showered? You need this. Ugh. That's a little better. You know what? Time to lighten things up a bit. One foil head coming right up. Ta-da! But we're far from done here. Use black glue to trace the head. Once that's done, try to mimic the shape with wood. Then use these strips like this. And staple everything together. Perfect! Now it should fit over the foil head. Then use black glue to make the mask. This part takes a lot of patience. 1/4 done. Just after these crisscross lines, that is. Told you this would take some patience. Now onto the other side. Time's really flying now, see? Phew. Time for the white now. Is it starting to look familiar yet? If you watch Squid Game, you know exactly what this is. Creepy, right? Just one more episode. Focus! Hi there. Huh? Is that… This can't be possible. Ah! Don't hurt me! I don't want to play! Gotcha! That's so cool! Just talented like that, I guess. Pretty realistic, huh? It's like my little craft baby. Julie! Look! Did you make her too? I don't know who that is. Then, who is that? Ah! Run like the wind! Morning, Julie. Isn't my new mug spectacular? Aw, it's so sweet. Can I see it? No way, Butterfingers. Okay then. I've gotta find somewhere to keep this thing. Those shelves are pretty tall. Julie can never reach all the way up here. Not even in heels. See ya! She's not looking, is she? Time to mug that mug. Ugh! I'm so close! I can practically taste it! Ah! Yes! Oh no! I can't believe it! I'm so dead! I've gotta hide the evidence! Who looks under here anyway? My 3D pen! Maybe I can fix this after all. Start by getting a shape with foil. Once you've covered the whole piece, let it dry, then take it off. Next part takes some real creativity. Let's start with a big red heart. Don't forget to fill it all in. Use lines going up and down over and over. And we're done! I've gotta be really quiet here. There! Let's see. Aw, this mug is just the cutest. Think you could put any of these fun crafts to good use? Let us know how it goes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our page for more fun hacks.